So if you have an electric skateboard, you should check out these cloud wheels. I recently just shared my experience with their cloud wheels for more off-road bigger boards. And these wheels came in from the same company that you can use for your normal boards like this meepo V5. And this is a great board. I love to ride it. It's very fun and smooth, but these are supposed to even make it more comfortable to ride and more smooth. And if you're watching this, you're probably wondering how smooth will it make it? And I'll just save you some time right here and say it's actually really smooth and really fun. But let me tell you more.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. Love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. Plus, I think I have a coupon code, so check it out if you want to get a coupon for this. But here are the wheels right here in this one box. You get the motor wheels and you get the front wheels and all of the tools and parts that you need to put it together. There is a tread pattern design for more grip, maximum shock absorption for wheels without tubes, so yeah, no punctures. But it's also made from this new polyurethane to keep it more durable and firm enough from tearing, but also keeping it super soft and cushy. It will also make it so you won't feel those bumps on the road, like even the sidewalk lines. I chose the green color because they look cool, and shout out to Ninja Turtles. I used to love them as a kid. But they also have Nero and lavender colors. These things are so comfortable. Like, I could tell a huge difference between just the regular wheels. Like, this was a fun board to ride already, this meepo V5, but these cloud wheels actually make it even more fun. It feels more cruisy. Every bump feels like nothing. It's almost like having the big cloud wheels like you'd have for the bigger boards. Yeah, this combination right here is like the perfect city board, beach cruiser, just even for like some fun rides. These wheels are fantastic. So there you go. I just wanted to share these wheels with you in case you have an electric skateboard. Maybe you love to ride it, but maybe you want a little bit more comfortable of a ride, especially cruising through the city. And that's all I really need to say about these wheels. I can highly recommend them because my experience with them was just phenomenal, and it's gonna make me want to ride this skateboard even more. And you can check out the links in the description to learn some more, but thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.